Hello, this is Melissa Rossi, and this is a short introductory tutorial video to help you get started in Math 111 IN3. I have Blackboard opened. The address is blackboard.swic.edu, and that's where you will always go to do your work. So right now we can see we're on the Syllabus Getting Started tab. I would like you to read this information, and then as you scroll down, you can find the syllabus, the course calendar, and the important instructions on how to register for MyMathLab. So the syllabus is very important for you to open and read fully. It's the contract that I will hold you to and you can hold me to. It has grading procedures, important dates, and explanations on assignments. The course calendar will share with you that most everything is always due on a Friday by 11 p.m. Exams are highlighted in yellow. Exams must be scheduled with a SWIC testing center, either at the Belleville campus or Granite City campus, to be proctored. So please know your course calendar and the due dates assigned. The final attachment in the Syllabus Getting Started tab is the special for one-time only instructions you'll need to gain access to MyMathLab. So if you click this, please follow these directions exactly. So you can see it says go to the access code, so that's here, access code for MyMathLab to begin. Locate your course materials and click the reveal access code. Copy the code that you see. Then back in the course menu, go to MyMathLab and continue the directions. Once you have properly registered, you will not need these instructions again. If when you register, it shows that you have temporary access, you have done the registration wrong. Please do not select temporary access when you are following these directions. Furthermore, in Blackboard, there's a Math 111 content folder, and this will hold important information for every chapter that we do, plus the final. So if we open Chapter 2, there's blank guided note pages. The same note pages are also filled out if you would just prefer to read how to do a lesson. I will also post a practice exam here, paper copy, so that you can see it. My Grades is where your grades will be uploaded that you are working, so you can see how you're doing in all homework and practice exams and exams. Scotty Online Tutoring in the menu is the link that connects to the Success Center for online tutoring. Important student links. We use MyMathLab to do our homework. You might want to check your browser to make sure that everything is supported and that you're allowing pop-ups. The testing center link with hours and how to register for an appointment. You can take your tests remotely or at an actual location. You must schedule your appointments at least 48 hours in advance. If you have any trouble with Blackboard or your student email, the SWIC Technology Assistance tab can help with that. Announcements. If we go to announcements, there's a welcome announcement that you can read and follow. Email here to email me. Discussions. The first discussion board is to introduce yourself to the class. Professor information. Right, that's me. I am located on the Belleville campus. Second floor, office 2047. The easiest way to reach out to me is email, melissa.rossi@swic.edu. Now, if we navigate into MyMathLab, that's the second tab in the course menu, and we click MyMathLab again, it will launch us, and then we open Pearson. It will launch us into the system that we use to do our homework. So I'm going to open MyLab and Mastering. So your assignments can all be found in the Assignments tab. So if you click Assignments, you can see that all homework, practice exams, and exams are posted for the semester. Where it says Resources, if you click Resources, those are videos, PowerPoints, and the actual textbook pages if you would like further explanation on the section. The Resources is not a required assignment. It's just here for easy navigation and access to videos and PowerPoints. You will have to do homework. So where it says Math 111 Section 2.1, that's a homework assignment. And you can see they have assigned due dates, a date, and a time it must be completed. If you open a section of homework, you'll see this section has 15 questions. It also says that if you miss the due date, you can continue to work on this assignment past the due date for a 20% deduction from the final score. To get 100% on this assignment, it must be completed by the due date. As we scroll down, we can see that there are required practice exams before your proctored exam. The practice exam, you get 2 attempts. You can do this at home on your own time. It looks a lot like the actual exam that you're going to be doing. So I would take it seriously. I would study first, try it one time, study again, try it a second time. After you do assignments, if you click Student Gradebook below assignments, you'll see your assignments populate, and a blue review button will pop up, and you can open anything to review what you've done. So after you take the first practice exam, I would go to Student Gradebook, click the blue review button to review the first time you did it before you try it again. The study plan a little further down are extra problems if you need further practice. If you click that, and then you click all chapters, and then maybe you hit the plus sign by chapter 2 and then 2.1, it'll give you the objectives and you can practice anything again and again. This does not hurt your grade. It doesn't improve your grade or lower your grade. It's just extra practice. So getting back out and going to Blackboard, if you hit the little house, it'll always take you back to the home page. Good luck. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you ever have questions. This is a late start course, which means that we only have 12 weeks to complete this semester. So please stay on top of your assignments, stay on top of your due dates, and reach out if you ever have questions.